Hi everyone. One question we often get is, how can I get a robotic lawnmower if I have a sidewalk? How's it ever going to be able to cut a small section of grass, especially if I have to install a wire? A couple different solutions to handling that when you have a sidewalk. The easiest one is to utilize the existing cracks in the sidewalk for your wire to run. So here we've just run the wire right through the sidewalk crack. And a couple options you could do. You could put it in the next adjacent crack, and that would create sort of a corridor for the iMow to bounce through to get into the extra patch of grass. In this scenario, because it is a smaller area, we just simply decided to take it all the way to the other end of our perimeter and run it through here. So the iMow will work its way through here. We got it spaced just right that the wheel will cut right on the curb and work its way around the mailbox, up around the front of the house. We also had a second area where we did the same thing over here, again to maintain the connection of the perimeter wire. We ran a wire all the way through across the driveway into this small section here, and then again back. So sometimes you do have to get creative with the installs, or really just trying to find, if there's a will, there's a way to make it work. Bring the convenience of a robotic lawnmower to you. For more tips, please subscribe to this channel or visit imowforyou.com.